hoping that just in Denver we have 300 packets. So that's a pretty good number that we're hoping to get.
Today here at Mi Casa in Denver and in dozens of other locations across Colorado, a coalition of organizations ranging from Latina health initiatives to radio stations to the television station Univision and many others got together and they made a clinic happen for people who are trying to become naturalized citizens of the United States. They basically put people on the path, and it can be a very expensive path, to sending out the paperwork that is the first step towards legalization.
So when someone comes up, we register them, we give them a list of checkoff for control purposes, we give them a number, and then they take a seat in our lovely area. After their number is called off, we bring them in here, we give them a packet, and we ask them for a donation. We're asking for a $30 donation, but anything helps. After that, we send them to our pre-screening station, where they check all their documents and whatnot, and then we send them off to one of our amazing volunteers to fill out their applications. After they're done with their applications, we have translators available as well. We send them off to the back where they do copies of all their documents, and they also take pictures for their applications. After that, we have our final station, which is our packaging station, and once there, we give them envelopes to put their applications and to send them off and apply for citizenship and send them with a good luck. All in one day, you get everything done and you get your services. And what we also have in the back, we have lawyers available to answer any personal questions about their applications.
Today here in Colorado, we got more than 40 volunteer attorneys here to help out, at over 100 interpreters and law students and other community activists and volunteers who are assisting in filling out the applications. We're hoping to help a lot of people today. Unlike what some people may think, the process of applying for citizenship can be very cumbersome. A lot of our immigration law is difficult to understand, complex.
The thing is that this whole process would cost a person anywhere from starting $4,000 to thousands and thousands of dollars, $3,000 to sit down with a lawyer and just have them fill out their application. That's why it's very important, and it's a very awesome community resource day today because our lawyers are free and they sit one-on-one with you. But there aren't this is a one-of-a-kind event. There aren't very many of these events going on.
Everyone who's applying for citizenship has to prove what's called good moral character, and that, the taxes are part of that. But you can also be denied citizenship for very simple reasons, failure to disclose, all of your trips outside of the United States, discrepancies in your application with respect to addresses and things like that. I have seen personally result in denials of citizenship applications.
If one of our wonderful people forget their documents, we sit with them and we tell them what are the requirements, like their resident cards, their social security cards, their matrimony acts, and we sit down with them and have them remember all their documents, and then we try to help them.
And I thought taxes were bad.